People complain about Unreal Engine's performance all the time. If you go to any YouTube video about some new Unreal Engine game, there's going to be someone who's going to talk about performance and how Unreal Engine sucks. It's somewhat fair for people to do that because a lot of games released with Unreal Engine is unoptimized, but it's rather on the developer more so than the engine itself. If you look at Fortnite, for instance, it runs on integrated hardware, and that is the highest optimization levels you can sort of make. So the engine is not bad. The way you use it and the way you optimize your game is probably the reason why it's bad. So the first thing you should do when you make a video game is to look and figure out what kind of technologies do I want to use. And depending on that, you want to set different preferences in the settings menus. So one of the common things is to make games in the deferred shading model, which is the default one that you see in Unreal Engine. You can actually change this to the forward shading model. So if you go here under project settings and you go to forward, and here you can turn it on. So you want to check this. It's going to restart the editor and recompile all the shaders, and it's going to run way faster. You can use the MSAA anti-aliasing, and the reason why this is faster is because it's skipping over using different buffers in the shader models, so you do less calculations in essence. The drawback is you cannot use Lumen or Nanite or different buffers to do post-process effects, and it has limitations to it. But if you want to make a game for mobile or like a really low-end hardware, you definitely want to check this. Most VR games also use forward shading. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it was, I'm going to keep talking about optimizations further down the line, so if you don't want to miss that, please follow me and like the video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.